All rise. Judge Vanderby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy is my husband, and we're divorced, but we're live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well, that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it
Well,
out,
I'm
right?
working. I'm driving the truck.
Step into the courtroom where tensions are rising. Today's case? A father who insists daycare is nothing more than a germ-infested nightmare, and a mother who's had enough of his over-the-top rules. On the bench, a judge ready to cut through the drama and get to the heart of the matter. But here's the catch. This isn't about custody. It's about money. Who's going to pay for daycare when one parent refuses to pitch in? Hold tight, because this verdict is about to get interesting.
I don't drive every day, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you
an
are working
interesting
though.
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
was
live.
working.
You guys live together right now.
Well, see,
Temporary,
well, the reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Childcare is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
He
let me
wanted
ask the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids.
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this will be a good arrangement. And
Only
he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
because you
Hold on
tried.
one second, sir.
Finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse
Don't
me.
talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him. Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
Yes,
I
Your Honor.
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity
different
to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
again, you guys live in the same house with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well, that's
really,
not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that. But you know,
I'm
that
trying to
has
save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for childcare.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come
didn't
back?
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working 2
time you
days a
have an
week.
outburst,
Yes, sir.
and that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out
I'm
somehow.
trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not. I already told you both. We're not going to have these disruptions.
Break this down. Dad's big complaint? Germs. Yep, he's convinced daycare is a breeding ground for every bug under the sun. But here's the reality. Check. Germs are part of life, especially for kids. They're bound to encounter them wherever they go. And here's the kicker. Dad didn't even bother visiting the daycare. He's throwing shade at something he hasn't even seen. Can you really judge something based on hearsay? Seems a little off, don't you think?
Let me tell you what's really happening here. She mad because I went to Cabo 2 weeks ago and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, go ahead, go. So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party and stuff.
Wow.
You know, I work
Okay.
hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound like a good man.
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I need a
this?
break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, you know, she cried talking about what's going on. I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. You said go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know.
well, good.
But
Well,
she
good.
think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are already divorced.
I'm taking care of the kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of the kids.
Well, you
know.
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be placed on child support, correct?
Correct.
But wait, Mom isn't holding back. Turns out Dad's fear of germs isn't just a one-off thing. He's a full-blown germaphobe, and this has been an issue in their relationship for a while, according to her. So here's where it gets juicy. Mom's a doctor, out there saving lives every day, while Dad's hiding from anything that might resemble a germ. They couldn't be more different, and you can feel the tension building.
Okay. No, that's not happening. There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home
That's
as
right.
him. That's
So I
that
just
cannot
need to
happen.
kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
That
up to
way
you.
he'll
That-
get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids
That's what I told
reside
you.
under the.
You didn't
Excuse
tell me
me.
that.
You know
I
what?
tried to tell you that.
Man.
You know what? I'm going to go
tried to
ahead
tell
and
you
tell
that.
you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no to
Sorry,
you.
Joanna.
No, don't be sorry. Be careful. Okay.
Okay.
Now I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he. Okay.
That's fine. I got
Okay,
my
so-
plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without?
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Yes.
And here comes Dad's classic move. He suggests family members take over the daycare duties instead. But hold up. Where were these helping hands when Mom was handling everything on her own? Let's be real. Daycare isn't just about watching kids. It's about learning, growth, and routine. Unless Grandma's got a teaching degree and a classroom set up in the living room, this idea doesn't really hold water.
What is that?
Is this still legal? Like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then?
Okay, I'll go ahead. I see you came here.
I won't get
Excuse
into
me.
it.
I see you came here to waste my time.
Yeah, I
So
know.
I'll move
I
along.
just need
Sir,
some
do
more
you have
money.
any other questions?
Then, the judge lays down the law. Both parents are on the hook for half the daycare bill, $500 each. Just like that, Dad's paying for something he never agreed to. But here's the plot twist. The alternative? Full child support based on his entire income, which would have hit his wallet way harder. So, yeah, it's a tough pill to swallow, but it could have been a lot worse.
Yana,
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said about my ruling?
I ain't got no question what you said. 'cause
Okay, the
she-
plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
In the end, the judge kept it simple. Share the kids, share the costs. And let's be honest, $1,000 a month for 2 kids? That's pretty fair in today's world. But here's the big question. Was Dad genuinely worried about germs? Or was this just a clever way to avoid paying for daycare? We want to hear your thoughts. Drop your opinion in the comments. And if you love courtroom drama, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Trust us, this story is just getting started.